Hey guys, welcome back, and this is Ace Degree, or me, and today we're going to show you how to make a Bukkit server, or Craftbukkit server, with just creating it. So, I'm all doing this just because my Ninja Man II, my buddy, Michael, as you've probably seen in my other Skyblock videos, has moved for now, so he won't be back on for probably about 15 days. So, yeah. So, first of all, we're just going to go to wiki.bukkit.org, go to setting, up a server, and I'll also post this in the description below. So as soon as it loads here, we're just going to create one. I'm not going to do any plugins right now. If you want me to, just comment what kind of plugins you want me to add in there, and I'll show you how to do them, or if you know how to do them, well, great. So right here, you're just going to click on the Craftbukkit recommended build and let it come up so you can save it. It'll ask you to save it. I'm just going to save it to my desktop, but I've already done this, so wherever you guys would like to save it, you're just going to go open or dash save as. You'd go here, save as, go to your desktop and press save. So when you're done, just come back to the video, pause it, whatever you want to do. So we're just going to minimize this here. And right here we have our craft bucket. So you want to just go right click and make a new folder. And you can name that, just let's name it Bukkit Server 1. I already have one, so I'm not going to rename it the same thing. And you're just going to drag it in there. Okay, so now you're just going to open it up, and right here you're going to have your craft bucket. Okay, so first, you're going to add a new text document. And you really don't have to name it because you're going to be deleting it here soon anyway. You want to go back to this website, and you want to copy this pause in Java. So copy this whole thing, and then we're going to paste it in the text document. And then it's going to say Java Xms1024M and 1024M. Right here, the craftbukkit.jar is where you're going to have to put your craft bucket. So we'll just minimize this, copy this text, and we're going to paste it right in here. So keep your .jar and your -o true, and this Java dash XMS is your gig. This is how many gigs. So 1024 equals 1 gig. So let's just say you want to run 4 gigs. I mean, it would be 4096. Or you can go to calculator, you can type in 1024 times 8. I mean, you got 8192 gig. So I'm just going to go with 1 gig now. And usually what you want to pick, I'll tell you here in a second. So you're going to go to save as. You're going to type run.bat. And you're going to press save. So now right here you got your run, and it's going to run your craft bucket. So right here you can click it, and it's going to run this whole server. And it's going to create all the files because you don't have a single file in there yet. So spawning area, level 1, and then it'll be level 2. And it's done. So now some people might just go stop, enter it, and it's going to close down the whole server and save everything. I've had troubles in the past where I just went and clicked right here, clicked on X, and it didn't save a single thing in it, so you had to restart the world all over again. If it's a server, you probably don't want to do that. So right there's your server. If you go to plugin, I mean, you can go to bukkit.org, go to plugins, and you just drag your plugins right in here, create them all. World, I mean, you can switch, make your own world, or bring it in from Minecraft. Go to server here, and you're just going to type in your level name, so whatever the world name is. Type in your login Hamachi here, your server port. I mean, you have all these different things. This is your MOTD is message of the day. So let's just say when you join a server, it's going to say something right below the IP address, and that's what it'll say there. I mean, max players, this maximum block height, this is default natural Minecraft. You can actually change it to like 300, and it will be 300. So on the servers, you have a lot more stuff to do because it'll allow you to do everything. You can change everything. You can plugins, mods. It'll do everything for you. So right here's your run. So every time you want to start the server, run it, or create a right here, like I got, you can create a shortcut to it. So all you do is click on that, and that's really all you have to do. It's a simple server. If you want me to create ticket servers, I'll probably do that too. But yeah, it's kind of the same basic concept. So this is H Degree, and good luck with your server. If you have any questions, please inbox me. I'll absolutely try to reply to absolutely any messages. So as you've seen, yeah, well, whatever. So good luck. And this is kind of an update of what I was just saying. You also have, like, if you're running Windows 7, it takes about a gig to run Windows 7 overall. And it takes about a gig to run Minecraft. So if you have an 8 gig computer, you probably want to run your server approximately 6 gigabytes. That's kind of what I run my computer at for my servers. And when you're doing your server IP, as we had in here with your server properties, the server IP, whatever you put in there, like whatever's in LogMeIn Hamachi, you're just going to type in your address, and that's the address you're going to have to put in and give to all your friends on your Minecraft. So when you go to add server, type in server IP and everything else, and that's all you have to do. And you should be able to connect. If you can't connect, tell me what's not going right, and I'll surely try to help you with it. So, yeah. So, absolutely have fun, and if you need any help, just ask. So,